I am a huge fan of this, and I mean, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. I have a really exciting DIY in store for you all today. Originally, I had planned to create a springtime wreath. I had a wreath ring, I had some nautical rope, and I had some beautiful blush and mauve roses that I got from Michael's. And I was really excited for the spring wreath, and I'm still excited for the spring wreath. But as I was filming the creation portion of this, I noticed that, Sarah, this would be a really cool thing for just some wall decor. Why don't you just throw it up on the wall and see what it looks like with your other pieces? And I'm telling you guys, I was shocked at the multi-use piece for our craft project today. I am tempted to just take out the faux flowers and use it as wall decor instead of the beautiful wreath that I also love. So when you guys see both projects complete, make sure that you comment below which one you prefer. Do you prefer the wall decor, or do you prefer the wreath? Or are you like me and you prefer them both? I feel like that happens with me on a lot of my projects. I'm trying to think, oh, do I like this one better or this one better? And I can never decide. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love seeing new people here on my channel, sharing in all of my creations. And if you are excited for today's video, come on with me. Let's go create. So here is today's creation up front and center. And are you all having a hard time deciding which one you like more? Me too. I love how this turned out. I love the boho vibe. I love the little fringes, and as simple and like I can't take them out as they are, I really like these little details in between of where it's connecting each ring frame or each ring on the frame. I love it. And like even without the flowers, I really loved this as a wall decor piece. I truly did. I like that the nautical rope, it's just from the Dollar Tree. I really like that the nautical rope started to like unwind. So it gave this really beautiful braided effect on this center ring here. I'm a huge fan of this, and I cannot wait to put it back up there in the front door. I basically just took it down for the filming of today's video, and I really like this. I love that it's a multi-use project. If you've been here on the channel with me for a little bit, you may come to realize I like things that can be used throughout the home, throughout the seasons. I feel like that's a great way to create, not just for simply one purpose and one purpose only. So I really did love that about this project. Again, make sure that you comment below which one that you preferred, or maybe that you like them both. I would love to hear from you. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.